What's up? It's Genetics, and I'm here today with another strike. We have a Pterosaur strike today. Ooh, let's see who going up against. Oh, yeah, some pretty good guys. Okay, well, let's choose a basic set of dinosaurs to battle with. See if we can knock this out real quick. I didn't really pick any counters. I mean, I'm going off the levels. It's going to be really easy to beat. Should have picked T-Rex though. I mean, put a good counter to this one. Oh boy. I just want to see what's inside the incubator. What about you guys? Oh, stun him? Yes. We got the stun. Knock him out with a rampage. Alright, quick and easy. Has the tracks. That's how you pronounce it. Jeez. Some of these dinosaurs' names, you think the scientists were like, well, let's just see how hard we can make it to pronounce. Oh, that's pretty easy. All you need is a level 16 Triceratops. Alright, what is inside? Coinage, darts, 235 has a share. I think it's Hazafract. Oh, that's a new one. Yes, we got that unlocked. Cool. Alright guys, well that's what's up. I hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. As always, my first video with 100 likes, I will give away a $10 gift card to a subscriber that comments. Thanks a lot guys, and have a nice day.